Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to share a YouTube video link on your Facebook story. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Select the video you want to share, then tap the Share button under the video. From the options that appear, tap Copy Link to copy the video URL. Now open the Facebook app. At the top of your home feed, tap the plus icon that says Create Story. Select any photo, video, or a simple background color to use for your story. On the Story Editor screen, tap the sticker icon on the right side. From the sticker options, select the link sticker. Paste the YouTube link into the URL box, and if you want, add custom text for the link. Then tap Add to place it on your story. Position the link sticker wherever you like, and when you're ready, tap Share to post your story. And that's it. Your viewers can now tap the link and watch the YouTube video directly.